Want photorealistic AI images with correct text like this for free, no watermark? Watch this. In this video, I'll show an amazing image generator tool and how to get insane results. The best part, it is best for thumbnail, 5 gig images with correct text that it is not easy for any other tool to write stylish and correct text on photo, even chat-gapped. But this tool is a game changer. Hey creators! Today we're using Google AI Studio to generate high-quality images straight from a prompt. No installs, no FEs. Perfect for thumbnails, posters, product shots, anything. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. From the dashboard, choose Create Image.
This video is sponsored by my AI chatbot service. We design many hat automations for Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram, human-like replies, keyword flows, and CRM integrations that turn DMs into customers. Get yours via the link below.
Step 2. Craft a strong prompt. Great images come from great prompts. Include subject, environment, style, lighting, camera, and mood. You can use chat-gapped or similar tools for generating good prompts like I want to try this one. Step 3. Select any model. For text on image, I would recommend their latest version because it provides best results. Choose the number of images from 1 up to 4. Select the ratio you want. Select resolution results. Step 3. Click Generate or Run. In a few seconds you'll see multiple variations. If the first result isn't perfect, tweak the prompt, change the lighting, add camera details, or adjust the style, then generate it again. Step 6. When you're happy, click Download. You'll get a clean, high-quality image. No watermark. Power prompts copy these. Cinematic landscape of neon city at night, rainy streets, reflections, wide angle, volumetric lighting, ultra detailed. Product shot of matte black wireless headphones on seamless backdrop. Softbox lighting, high contrast studio photography. Fantasy character illustration, armor with gold accents, dramatic rim light, painterly brushwork, dynamic pose, concept art style. Pro tips. Tip 1. Be specific. Camera terms like 35, depth of field, bokeh boost realism. Tip 2. Use lighting words golden hour, softbox, backlight, volumetric fog. Tip 3. Iterate fast, small edits between runs get perfect results. Tip 4. Save your best prompts, reuse and adapt for new ideas. Ethics and safety. Don't generate harmful or copyrighted likenesses. Keep it original and safe. That's Google AI Studio, free, fast, and insanely powerful. If this helped, smash like, subscribe for more AI tools, and comment your best prompt below. See you in the next one.